Hello everybody, today I will show you how to get a free Jeffree Star Cosmetics discount code. First open Jeffree Star Cosmetics and then open pickyourcode.com/JeffreeStar in a new browser tab. When you get here, just type in your email and click continue. Now choose the discount code size and click continue again. Wait for a moment here. Now just complete 2 offers or installs to get your code. I like the installs more since it's a little bit faster most of times. Just remember to follow the instructions. Now I will speed up the video since it will take a few moments to get these offers done. Now click on the verify and copy your discount code. Now that you have your code, go back to Jeffree Star. Here on Jeffree Star, just add any product you want to the shopping bag. Now let's go to checkout, there we can apply the code. Now I will just paste in the discount code and click. Enjoy, now you have applied the discount. Thanks for watching my video.